Okay, guys, I'm gonna destroy it right now. Looks like I'm still inside the top. Did not.
You have to restart the video.
It was because you said my real name.
Yeah, and his real name is me. His real name is me, by the way.
I know. It's the worst name ever.
Because he's a meme.
I'm a meme.
Meme.
Memes!
Memes suck.
I know. Except for maybe the one, like, All Seeing Eye one, by a little kid that had no points for me. No points. Sorry, I just killed a little tape,
You
that's all.
suck.
I don't suck. You want to play against me in DIEP.dirtby? I'm just gonna call it Dirtby from now on, because I used to call it D. Hey guys, please play D-Pie with a lot of E's and no Not
Jason
again.
woke me up screaming about me.
I did not.
Nathan was screaming this entire time.
What do you mean? I was not screaming this whole entire time. I probably was while I was recording, but who cares? Oh no. There's gunners. Must be really cute.
This stuff I got as a newbie is so hideous. I hope no one ever sees this.
Well, yeah, you're probably recording right now. I'm probably gonna get stuck in here.
And Jane, you
Hey!
are team this week, right?
I just want to be friends. If you don't want to be friends, that's also... Hey!
Oh my god.
No.
So hard.
Team. Oh no.
I have to look through all of my
Oh no.
stuff. Oh no. You don't want to eat that. You don't want to come up here from this. No.
No! I don't want to get shot by any... No! I cannot believe I just died.
Nathan, come look at this hideous skyline, Bob.
It looks like celery. What? It's honesty.
Honesty doesn't matter.
Guys, please keep it down. You're waking up Daddy.
Oh no, I hate him when he's grumpy. Yeah.
Right. Oops. Oh.
What did you call me? Imagine Dad just coming in. What did you call me? That would be really funny. Yeehaw!
We so want to find that stupid bridle.
What stupid bridal? Oh right, yours at home.
Dude.
What I know about you.
I had the most hideous bridle.
Bye, have a great time. I just killed you, little kid. It actually sounds really creepy when I say it, but not that creepy when you say it, right?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm way creepier than you.
Yeah, you are, dude. Get used to it.
Stop calling me a dude, okay?
That's because you are, because you're a boy. You went undercover as a girl and tried to say whatever because you're a boy and you're like, no, I'm not. I'm just acting like I'm a girl. And you're like,
I never have even played Oh, no.
Yeah,
Wow.
You're
Wow.
like a dying elephant.
It used to be named Foxstone and it used to be really cute until the stupid update that made everything look so fake.
No, I made her look real. Nathan's first Foxstone looked like the frog.
I like froggy looking horses. I'm sorry. Nobody heard any of that. Just kidding. Everybody inside of the world heard that. Well, probably actually not. But come on, people. I'm almost level 30. I'm doing really good. Come on. If I die at a twin, I'm gonna be really sad. Like, all I really actually want to be is a booster. Okay, guys, so, we completed our quest. We're becoming this and a triangle. Because it's
Okay, I am screaming on Star.
Get over here! Now! Noob. noob. I'm not a noob. You kind of look like a noob yourself, and your name is I'm a noob.
I'm sorry.
This dude. Oh no, actually, fine. I killed noob.
Cleaning my brother stole my makeup.
Really. You had. Oh, of course you had to.
I don't even wear makeup.
I know, because you're so ugly without
They
it.
stole my makeup. You are like.
Okay, it looks like I'm about fourth. Not
Nathan,
first.
that was an incorrect statement. Jane doesn't wear makeup, and she's beautiful without it.
Oops. Wait, was that actually incorrect? Because I see this guy that's about to die. Well, kind of, never mind, because he just left the game. Just kidding, I ran away from him. He was a sniper. Just kidding, he was actually not even close to looking like a sniper. He had a giant triangle-like gun that doesn't have any triangles following him. It's like literally the best idea for this is like, do this. Like, so you can actually crash and shoot. It's like the best idea ever. I mean, I'd usually be choosing fighter for this, but I like this idea. It's like cute and cuddly and good. Or than my big sister. Yeah. What? You're horrible at everything. And plus, she calls herself the best at everything. So I guess you're not the best at everything. Well, she says everything that's good. ... Okay, I'm silent of what I'm saying inside of this YouTube video. I'm like, also, she can't even get past level 45 in Dipline because that's technically impossible. Unless you're like a Dominator. Or like, you know, like, the Dominator. What I was saying before. I'm almost level 35. I'm only up level 38 right now. Did I read it correctly? Mom, did I read the 38? Stop being stupid, everybody. And let's have some fun. Destroying some people as a booster that shoots and rams. Because it's the best thing in the world to have. Dude, look at this. I'm just going like this, like... Nobody likes me because I'm a booster, and boosters are ugly. Like, boosters are cute. I mean, I'm going to be a booster. Even though I'm level 40. I want to be level 41, so I can ram into some observers. And I'm probably just going to shoot the observers to death or something. Because, like, I have a lot of shooting. More shooting than, like, ramming. So, like, this is just a really easy game to play when you're the booster, because you go so fast. Just kidding, you actually don't. The triangle somehow is faster than the booster. No! Okay, he's, kind of a giant thing that looks like it's a destroyer, which kind of was at, I think, the start of the episode today. It's really sad because I have, like, less... What's the majiggy called thingy? Okay, right, ammunition. Because, like, you technically have infinite ammunition when you're, like, playing this game. It's, like, fun! It makes Fortnite lose. It makes Fortnite worse than IO games. It makes Fortnite not the most popular game of the world. It makes me the best person in the world. Not. I'm never gonna be the best person in the world. I'm never gonna be better than PewDiePie and YouTube. To be honest, I've never... No! I'm speechless. I died. I cannot believe I just died while I was doing like a little stupid speech. What? Okay, so like, now I'm just going for like a smasher or something because they're better at the game. Why did I do the smasher earlier? I don't know. I've got 5 minutes left. That's sad. 5 minutes left of this episode. Please enjoy till the end, because there's probably like a somebody like trying to kill me right now, which I'm trying to kill myself. What? No, you're not. You suck at everything. Yes, you do. You don't have to do that very often. I usually never do it when I'm YouTubing. There's kind of a little gunner problem, whatever. Oh my gosh, the stupid crashers. I hate you guys. Okay, I'm lagging. Crashers make me lag. I found out something new every day. Crashers make me lag. That's funny. Oh my... Die, stupid! Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Wait, I'm just picturing Illuminati at that crasher. Hi, Illuminati, you can die. Illuminati can die because it's pink. Totally, Illuminati is totally not green, people. Illuminati's totally not green. I mean, oh, I see where all these dark light things are coming from. Love! Oh, right, this guy that killed me 1,000 times. Like yesterday. You killed me. You know, I'll leave up the episode right here because I'm dying a lot, and, just kidding, I like episodes. Actually, there's one thing that I actually usually do whenever I say that. It's like, just kidding. Hey! No, I want to be friends! No, I want to be friends! Come on. I want to be friends! Okay, this is called a troll, when you troll gunners. Because they actually have... Just kidding, I'm not going to troll this guy. He wants to be my friend. I'm going to troll this dude. He's not even doing very much... Oh, actually, Gunner, help! I'm going to die now. I like predicting when I'm going to die, but it doesn't usually happen too often, because I'm better than Jane Lewis. What? Oh yeah, Lewis. It's fun. It's a good name. Just kidding, it's a horrible name. Okay, now all I need is like one more point, so I'm actually fully upgraded. Look, I'm just gonna do something. No, please no! Of course, Slayer's always the bestest, worstest, I mean, at being friends with that little tank. What? I'm telling the truth. I've never had any friends of a sprayer in my life. When I was just a little insignificant tank that wants to be a sprayer. I'm just gonna actually do flank guard because it's funner and this guy looks ugly. Reload. Hey! No! Wait. No. Die!
You're ugly like a frog, and your purse will look like a frog because you gave it plastic surgery to make its lips stick out like a frog. Look up Star Stable Starter's old model, and you'll see what I mean, people.
You're not even doing this supposed to be inside of this video, okay?
What?
You're not even supposed to be in this video, okay? You're ruining my YouTube channel!
I'm not even in your room. Why don't you just take your stupid computer to your room?
I can't. If I do, I'll destroy my YouTube video. By the way, guys, I'll leave it off today with my sister annoying me to death. I mean, literally, I would die.
Look at the frog horses. Bye-bye.
What? They're ugly. Why would anybody look that up? By the way, guys...
That box thing was cute, and now you're like, oh, he's ugly.
Hey, buddy, kill me. Dude, free kill! Kill me!
Stupid.
Stay awesome, everybody.
You'll never be awesome, everybody.
What did you just say inside of my YouTube video?